Sophie and Ashley have a new friend. His name is Baba, the monkey. Sometimes he can be very naughty, but he is really a very nice monkey. Today he meets two new friends. Sophie walks with Baba down the street towards Josh's house. Well, Sophie is walk, but Baba does not walk. He likes to run and jump and do cartwheels down the pavement. Sophie knows on Josh's front door. No answer. I wonder if Josh is in the garden behind his house, says Sophie. Baba is still doing cartwheel on the pavement. Come on, Baba, says Sophie. She and Baba walk around to the garden behind Josh's house. No Josh. But Sophie hears Josh's voice. She looks up. His bedroom window is open. Josh. Shout Sophie. Josh for once. Baba stop running and jumping and doing cartwheel. He stands still and look up at the window. The voice from Josh's bedroom stops. Father, he is. Josh pops his head out of his bedroom window. Hi, Sophie, says Josh. Who is your new friends? This is a Baba, answered Sophie. Do you want to come out and play? I cannot, say Josh. I have a problem in my bedroom. What is it? Asked Sophie. She and Baba both look up at Josh. I have an invisible tiger in my room. What? Says Sophie and Baba at the same time. It's true, says Josh. Come on up. The back door is open. The Sophie and Baba go through the back door of Josh's house. They go to upstairs to his bedroom. Sophie knocks on Josh's bedroom's door. He opens the door and says, Quick, come on fast. Sophie and Baba go into Josh's bedroom and he closes the door quickly. Sophie says, Josh, this is a Baba. Baba, this is a Josh. Then she asks, why do we have to come on? Quickly, I don't want the tiger to escape, answered Josh. Sophie and Baba look at each other. Then they start to laugh. Josh says, Sophie, are you sure you are okay? There is no tiger in here. Suddenly the hair are rare. I am Laksa, the tiger says. Why Sophie and Baba are scared? They jump again. The mouse and their eyes are wide open. She says, Josh, there is a tiger in my bedroom. And not just any tiger, says Laksa. I am a special tiger. Why are you special? Asked Baba. And how do we know you are a tiger? Says Sophie. We cannot even see you. Don't make her angry, says Josh. She is already in a head mode. Laksa roars again. Josh and Sophie and Baba all takes a step backwards. They are scared. So, you want to see me? Asked Laksa. Watch this. And suddenly there she is standing in Josh's bedroom, very pretty. Tiger with beautiful stripes. Sophie and Baba and Josh all say, wow, Laksa is a pretty. But she is not happy. Why are you in a bad mood? Asked Sophie. Because my paw hurts, answered Laksa. Let me see, says Sophie. Laksa puts out her paws and Sophie holds it. Sophie looks very closely at Laksa paw. I think, see the problem, says Sophie. It's a thorn. A thorn. Ask Laksa. I can help you, says Sophie. She has small fingers, so she can easily pull out the thorn. Is that better now? Asked Sophie. Yes, answered Laksa. Thank you so much. So now there is a new friend on the street. Sophie and Josh are so excited. They want to show their new friends Lexa to their other friends. Tom, they hope Lexa does not become invisible again. Thank you.